Hi guys, and again I'm back. So I must guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So in last video I have taught you some sense organs, like we have 5 sense organs in our body. With the help of that 5 sense organs we are able to see the world. So the 5 sense organs is eyes, ears, nose, tongue and fingers. So in last video I had told that whatever we are seeing, whatever the seeing from our eyes, it is the sense of sight. So I am seeing, it means that we are watching anything, like we are watching the television, we are watching any babies, any son. It means what we are watching from our sense of sight, it means we are seeing. And the second one is I hear the drums, like hear the drums and whatever the sound, like I am speaking and you are hearing. So this is also one sense of organs which is in our body, and I am speaking. So this all is sense of our organ body. It is the sense of hearing. It means that we are hearing from our ears. So ears is the second sense organs. And the third one is smelling, like nose. Suppose we are smelling, if at our kitchen some food, delicious food is making, or in our neighbor also some delicious food is making, then we can smell with our nose. So it means what, that with the help of smell, with the sense of our smell, we can smell anything. So it is the third sense of organs. And next, just see that your fourth sense organ is touch. So when I drink my milk and eat my food, I use my sense of taste. I am tasting. So suppose when we are drinking the water, we are drinking the milk, or we are eating the food, we are eating on our mouth. So with the help of tongue, we can taste what we can use our sense of taste, that the taste is good, it is better or not. So with the help of sense of taste, we can tasting that yes, the food or the things is what it's tasting. So your fourth sense organ is tongue. Then when I touch a kitten or a balloon of water, I use my sense of touch. I am touching. So whenever I am touching something, like I am touching here with my hand, it means in the sense organs, it's saying that inside the inner voice that yes, we are touching something, like here. So when we are touching a living thing, so it means what, a sense organs, I use my sense organ, sense of touch. It means that I am touching something. So here is the five sense organs, that whatever I have explained you, that the first one is eyes, that we can see anything from our eyes. Then second is ears, so we can hear everything from our ears. Third is the tongue, we can smell the food, tasty foods from our tongue. And the fourth one is nose, we can smell a good things, a bad smell from our nose. And the last one is fingers, like touching. It means that if we can touch anything, then we can realize yes, we are using this sense or organs. So here is the 5 sense organs in our body. With the help of that, we are watching all the, and we can knowing the world around us. Next, sometimes I use all my sense at once. Sometimes we are using all sense organs, whatever in our body, like ears, eyes, nose, tongues and fingers, we are using it at once. Now sometimes I use only one, or sometimes we are using all 5, sometimes we are using the 2s. So let's see. I often play a game with myself. I guess how many senses I am using at that time. So suppose when we are playing a game with myself, like Ludos or something, then there we are using the sense, that it means we are using the sense on that time. When I look at the moon and when I look at the moon and the stars, I use one sense, I am seeing. So at the night when we are looking at in the sky, and we are looking the moon or and the stars, it means what, we are using one sense of organs, and that sense is, it means we are seeing from our eyesight. It means we are using here, we are using which sense, we are using here eyes sense. Then when I laugh and play with my puppy, I use 4 sense. So whenever we are playing or we are laughing with the puppies, it means here we are using the 4 sense four senses like I can see the puppies with my eyes, I can hear whatever the dog is barking from my ears. Third is I can smell, and the last one is that he is touching my body. So whenever we are playing, we are laughing with another person also. So in that case we are using the four sense like see, hear, smell and touch. So it depends that we can use one all sense also in one time, and we can use all five sense in a one time. It depends to the work that what we are doing. Then sometimes I use more of one sense and less of another, but each sense is very important to me because it makes me aware. Then sometimes like I'm told you that we are using one or more than one or less than another, less than three. So it means what? That it means that sense is very important important to me and to all over the world. So with that help of sense, we are watching, we are knowing all the word, and it makes me know about all things whatever is around us. So to be aware is to one poem is there. I will go and I will told you in the next video. So please you guys must watch the next video, and I might guess that you guys have understood the five senses which is in our body and which we are using in every day. Like now also you are using, I'm saying with my ears and you are hearing from your ears. It means that you are using your sense organs. Here you are using the two sense organs, like you are using the eyes also, you are watching me also, and you are hearing the whatever I am speaking, whatever I am talking about this chapter. So the sense organ is very important for all the person to knowing the world. So the poem I will told you in the next video. You must watch the next video. I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.